Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Graceberry Transparent Clear Glycerine Soap Base 100% Pure Natural No Paraben SLS Tallow Alcohol Free 1 kilogram for 330 rupees. The original price is 599 rupees. 330 is the discounted price. I had bought this from Amazon. This is non-sponsored video. The product is made in India, suitable for all skin types. The scent is used coconut scent, and let's see the main ingredients: glycerin, coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, natural vitamin E, vegetarian, free from animal testing, ideal for face, hands, body. What it says: it is widely used to produce hand soap, best raw material for homemade soap or large scale soap. All you need to do is melt and pour into the different soap layers in the mold. Easy to make your own soap. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. I have made some bath soaps using this as a raw material. Already shared those recipes with you. If you want, then you can check those, or I will share the links here too. This foams up really well, means not so creamy but create enough lather to get the feeling of cleaning. Very gentle on the skin, didn't dry out my skin. It is good for winters. In the summers for oily skin people, I will not suggest, as this soap is glycerin soap. Also it contains some natural oils, so that will not be the good idea. Okay, kind of product. This is my first purchase and also the first time to make my own bath soaps. Feels really good. If you are also the beginner to make the soap, then you can also give it a try to these soaps. And yes, please don't add too much amount of other ingredients, especially watery ingredients, liquidy ingredients, otherwise it take days to dry out completely. I didn't pack those soaps and they get air dried. Also they didn't caught any kind of fungus, which is impressive. You can share your bath soap recipes with me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. And yes, you can also share which glycerin soap base you like the most or you are already using. That also you can share.